God.
It's on?
My jacket.
We're going in. We're going straight in.
And how you turned it off?
Why don't you launch it from where we did yesterday? Because we're going straight in. His name is Oh, never mind. We gotta do this.
Oh, wait. What's that? Oh my God.
What are we doing? On the French fries yesterday.
Say hi to the camera, Kelly. That was so ugly.
You're ugly. Which camera is that?
Uncle Rod's. Say hi to the camera, Ray Ray. Hi to the camera, Ray Ray.
Hi to the camera.
Hi. Hello.
Oh, it got all dirty.
Okay. I thought it like goes down. Oh yeah, there it goes. Hello.
You get the rainbow on.
Oh, really? Can like is there sound on it? Like recording sounds?
It doesn't have a great mic.
That's illegal. Wow.
They're going what?
Ronnie would have been like, fuck, join you.
Babe, what is that? Hey, dog, what are you gonna do?
That's a monster.
I want it.
What dog?
It's like a mastiff, like a type of mastiff. What's a mastiff?
Because those
Mastiff.
mastiffs are
Alright,
basically
go
giant
in.
hogs, aren't they? I knew what they are. I just
Oh, that dog's hella
I
ugly.
want it. They have one that looks like a giant pond in my neighborhood. It's actually like a tail.
That's a beast.
All right, ready, Tom?
They
Wait,
got the surfers and females.
me and you going
Yeah.
on the second, on the two.
Yeah.
All right, grab the paddle.
Look at Nick and Vince. Over there, straight across the rock.
This water smell like doo doo from the last time we been here.
Cause I do it again. Pass me a paddle.
Kelly, you in charge of my sandals. Tom would be the first to go in.
Those actually fit your feet.
Tommy,
Those?
demonstrate again.
Why? They look small?
Like he wouldn't be able to get back in this time.
Yeah?
Get back to the point.
Mammoth ass feet.
Yeah, they kind of fit.
Ew.
She's just jealous.
Look, Tommy doesn't even know how to paddle. Tommy ain't getting out of there.
What is this, JJ? You trying to make us drown? Trying to sink our boat?
Bro, my bag's in my pocket. Shut your mouth.
All right, let's put it in. Grab the front.
Tommy's like, I'm gonna take this log with me. I got firewood. He's gonna flip. Oh my God. He's rocking. Oh, he's gonna get in the rock. Tommy, you don't submerge. Hey, Mono, whatever
Oh my
you
God,
do,
it's
always
cold.
be ready to save Tommy.
Isn't a girl?
Wait, let me walk around the seaweed.
Are you serious?
See, you're like a girl. You're always-
Woo!
It's icy cold though.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set it right here and let the tide pull us in.
Shut up, just put it in there. You're wasting memory.
Is there gonna do this to me?
Hop in. You best hop in.
I'm trying. Calm down, wait up. Could do it.
No, you best not. I'll fucking kill you.
Hey, you know that's recorded, right?
Dude, don't flip it. I got Rice Krispie.
Oh my God. Get that turd out of my way. No, turd. You're just eating. You're eating. I'm doing no work. Fine. Fair enough. Tommy, I'm gonna get you.
It's so nice out here.
Yeah, you're eating.
Paddle faster.
Shut up.
Whoa, don't tip it over. It's hella nice out here.
On my way. Put my foot cold.
I can't. Turn around. I'm trying.
Oh my.
All right,
What
go.
do they want us to do?
Pick up that trash. Just throw it on the boat.
I swear if I fall, it's your fault.
Stop!
I need it. No, you back it.
I got it. Let it drown. I got it!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, not my hair. Not my hair.
Oh, go, 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 go.
You're gonna sink us. Get out. Go, go, go.
I got another one. Follow Tommy.
Right, right. Tommy, wait up.
Hold it.
Work with me. Work.
Hold on. All right.
Don't do it. It's gonna get in my hair. Look at that sperm tail.
It's so nice out here, right?
Oh no. You got the GoPro out?
Yeah.
Alright. If I die, save me.
No. You better not. You want a Rice Krispie?
I'm gonna do it.
Want a Rice Krispie? No, stop.
Oh my.
You're gonna get back in yourself.
Yeah.
All right. You don't want a Rice Krispie?
But if I'm gonna die, you gotta pay me.
All right. Wait. We got one. Let me get this on the GoPro.
You ready?
Wait. We gotta get closer.
Wait, is the camera on?
All right, go.
Oh look, the seaweed.
Dude, the paddle doesn't float. Is it cold? Look at Tommy!
You good example.
Tommy, is it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta grab the other side of the boat.
Yeah, sometimes you could do that.
Look at this guy.
He did it.
Oh, it's gonna sink.
It's sinking.
I'm thinking.
Woo. Woo. You're good.
You want a Rice Krispie? Huh? You want a Rice Krispie?
Go!
Stop it.
Stop.
What's up, guys?
The water is so clear.
Oh my. Don't do it. Don't do it.
The water is hella clear right now, right? It's like new water. It's not even that deep, I bet. How deep is it?
Oh shit.
It's right there, look. You can stand, I can stand right here. Look, Tommy. Look how deep it is. Look, 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 look. It's right here.
Oh, I couldn't even stand, man. That's probably because of the life jacket, though.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's go out. This is what we came for, right?
Where my rock?
Not that way. Yeah. Tommy, where you going?
This sea looks like the game.
Huh?
This sea looks like the game.
Yeah, I guess you could say that.
I mean, that's how it feels.
Tommy, where you going?
Oh, firm sail. Oh, crap.
You want to go all the way out to like where all those other guys are?
I guess so.
Let's go.
Oh, my eyes.
I mean, if they can do it, we can do it, right?
Yeah. I died in GTA 4 by getting ran into by a boat.
Watch out, there's a rock over here somewhere.
Right.
Yeah, turn right. Right, go right. Whoa, look at all of them. Let's go join them. Tommy!
Tommy!
Wait for us, guys!
They're one whole family. Definitely need a lifestyle type of place.
Wait up, guys. We want to be a part of you guys. It's pretty fun, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah.
I thought you'd kind of be scared to come out here.
No. Of course I'm scared of water, though.
The shark, you know, a shark could come right now, right? Just letting you know. Paddle faster!
As long as we're not panicking, like big shark?
No, a real shark. This is like 1,000 feet deep now.
Really?
Yep.
They're not scary though.
Huh?
They're not that scary though. Yeah, they're wearing helmets too.
Because they're a bunch of sissy babies.
Oh yeah, we were fishing over there.
Guys, wait for us! Wow, we came way out.
Hella. Did we go out more than you and Ray did?
Yeah, definitely.
Cause you guys got two lines to a big car. It's an I haven't seen this like before. I saw it.
What? Saw what?
Jellyfish.
The jellyfish? Hey guys, wait up!
Oh,
Shit, that was a big wave.
I know. Oh, there's one right there. Done.
Whoa! Whoa! Hella big! Woo! It's pretty fun.
Want to turn back?
Huh? You scared?
No, not really. I'm just asking if you want.
We can if you want.
Oh, look, jellyfish right there.
Wait, go towards it. Go towards it.
Don't flip over. Don't flip over.
Okay, go towards it. Should we carry it back? Where is it?
Oh, no, it's not that close.
Just keep going straight. Should be. No, you're like turned. Oh, shit. Come back, jellyfish. Jellyfish. Alright, there we go. Whoa, look at it.
It is cool. Want me to poke it?
Yeah, grab it. Grab it.
It's heavier than you think it is.
Come here, jellyfish. Grab it. Go grab it.
Oh, turn. Turn. That's a pink jellyfish. That's cool.
No, don't push it away. Shit. Grab it. Grab it. You got it. No.
Oh. Oh, the water's all sticky.
The salt. Get him. Get the jellyfish. Wait, we gotta work as a team. Alright, wait. Alright, ready, go. Pick him up. Pick him up. Alright. Whoa, wait. Whoa, this thing's heavy.
Oh, hella big. That's why. Get back here.
Hey, little bitch.
Fuck you. Fuck you, jellyfish. I'm gonna go get you now.
Whoa, Tom is almost out here.
Tommy, you're wearing a hat?
Where is it? Oh, you got him? Where is it? Oh, there.
We're like pissing it off.
I know. It's probably hella pissed. Let's not mess with it no more. Oh, there's a baby jellyfish.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's right there. Wait. Lift it up. Like, what's your thing? Like, wait. I'll do it. Oh, lift it up. Oh, so hard. Tommy, we found a jellyfish. Hurry up. Jellyfish.
There's a fat, juicy one, too.
Wait, leave it till Tom comes. Look at it. Oh shit.
Don't get close.
Whoa, what the heck?
Why?
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! It's so creepy.
There's jellyfish in there.
What?
There's a lot of jellyfish in there.
Right here.
Look at this one. This is a big ass one.
I'm scared.
What?
What if I fall?
You're not.
Don't fall then.
If you fall, you're screwed. Alright, look, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna pick, like, we're gonna, like, scoop it. Alright, go. Scoop it. Go.
Holy shit!
You better not fall. Alright, wait, don't touch it.
That's a mama.
Alright, ready? Scoop it! Scoop it!
I can't see it.
Scoop it!
I can't see it.
That was hella big, huh? You see it?
Right here.
That's mama.
Look.
That's mama.
Hey!
That's mama.
Mama. Where'd it go?
It's right here.
Oh shit.
Don't touch his boat, cause then you never know. Hella big, huh? Alright, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Oh, fail.
What if they could just shoot? What if they could just shoot their stingers?
That would be hella stupid.
Mama.
We're out hella far.
That's mama. Here, I stupid told you. I'm under.
Where is it? Oh, you're under it?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
Oh, I have a Rice Krispie treat.
No, I'm good.
Do you have another one?
Yeah, we can share it.
We gotta get mama, bro.
Where we gonna put her?
In the middle of you guys.
No, in the back of you. Look.
Oh, you can do that. As long as you guys
Oh, it's right there.
get mama. Mama! It better not move in the back.
Don't do it. Just don't do it.
Dude, once we catch her, we gotta go back.
I know. All right, wait. You gon' okay? Look, you gonna flip your thing around, right?
Okay, alright.
All right. Okay, and push her towards us.
And if you ever get sting, tell us to piss on you.
Oh, oh, woo. Oh, I got it. No, Mama.
Mama!
Mama.
Oh, look, there's a little one.
Oh shit! Don't do that.
Don't fuck with mama's baby. She might get pissed.
All right, flip around. Do the flippy. Do the flippy. Oh, it's coming. No, flip around. Flip around. All right, scoop it. Scoop it. Scoop it. All right, we got it. We got it this time. Oh, shit.
Don't get it towards me.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit!
You got it? Oh, shit. Mama's hard. Mama's a hard player to get.
Damn, mama! Come back, mama!
All right, turn your boat around. No.
I don't trust you guys.
Don't do it. Let's not do it.
Wait. Perfect timing. Go. Go towards it.
Oh shit! It feels like I'm so cold.
Okay. Okay, go close to it.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Ah!
Ah! It's under us. I don't know where it's at.
Don't do it! Oh my god!
Dude, we might have to do tape work here.
Don't do it!
Right there.
First, we gotta catch her. For real.
All right.
We gonna squeeze it. Okay?
All right, all of us. All three. Go. Oh, you got some sort of stupid.
We need a baggie.
Who wants to run in? Go get a bag.
Oh!
Wait. Get it. Get it.
Get
Yes. No.
Tommy! Don't let it slide off.
You gotta flip around, Tommy. Where we gonna put it?
I'm gonna put it in the bed.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Where is it?
Come on, let's go.
Oh shit! Oh, it's hella creepy.
Oh.
Look at
Whoa. Grab it. Yo, gabba. Get over here.
Jellyfish is just laughing at us.
Grab it.
No!
Got it. We got it.
We got it!
No.
Oh!
Why can't these flippers be a little sharp?
Why did you find a shark? Dude, I was like literally put my hand in there and like
Dude.
grab its tail.
Dude, I got an idea. Let's find a sharp stick real quick.
Uh-oh. I think the Rice Krispie's gone.
Oh shit!
I don't know what happened to it.
Dude, Brian, you got your shoes.
Yeah, who gonna pick it up with the shoe?
Don't do it.
Get mama. Get the mama. It's like she just slips off. She's like, no, forget you guys.
It's like we hit her and bit the pants in the machine each time. We don't get anything, man.
Alright, we're trapping it. Alright, ready? One. Wait. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Can't get it. Where you going? Ugh.
Oh shit, they huge wave.
Dude, we can't get Mama. Let them have their turn.
They're the little baby jellyfish.
Get the sperm cell peewees.
Chop it.
It's swimming away!
Get it.
It's fucking with us.
I know.
Let's go fuck with it then.
So it's swimming back up to the top. Are jellyfish alive?
Yeah. If you just look at it, it'll float away. Watch. Where is it? Oh, right there. Look. Watch. It'll just float away. Like it'll swim perfectly fine away.
John,
Look at it. Oh, it's dead.
is it?
It look like it.
Nah, it's just fucking with us.
Why, get me? You can't get me.
We gonna do one more scoop?
Nah, we can't get it. Waste of time.
Fuck her, nigga. Let's go back. Right.
Race. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Crikey. Don't run into him, Crikey. Crikey! Crikey.
Are you okay, Brian?
Wait, we'll stay you there. Whoa, what's out? I have the GoPro, I can't get wet. Race!
Don't spray me.
Left, right.
He's beating us! These waves will help us. Whoa. Holy shit.
What?
These waves are hella big.
Although it's hella cruising.
Huh?
This is cruising on the water.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
What? You see the waves now?
On the good waves.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
Come on, Brian. We can't let it win. No, go more to the right. Keep doing to the right. To the right. Never mind. The way we spin, that's the way you gotta like paddle. Huh? We gotta win!
You guys are cheating me.
Don't run into that rock. See how we're going to the right? That's when you paddle to the right. And then we go left. See?
Oh shit.
See how that works?
Yeah.
Yes, you guys are gonna take the long way home.
Okay, there's a rock right there hidden somewhere. Good luck.
I'll go right through seaweed village.
He's go! Go!
We're going heading to the rock.
Oh, we are. He's beating us.
Let him push us.
Oh, whoa, shit.
Let him push us.
No!
Oh.
out! Spit out! He's catching up again! Go! Hey!
Hey, go further. Oh.
Go to the right! Keep going to the right! No! No!
You can look at
No! No! Get close to him, I'm gonna spin him out.
Oh my God.
Don't go down the seaweed! We're gonna spin you out! Stop! Yes! Go, go, go! Yes! Ah! Oh, wait. Go, keep paddling, paddle hard. No! Good! He's going! No! Go, keep paddling. He's keep paddling! Keep paddling! You're right. Ah! We got into the seaweed.
No! Why?
What are you doing?
I'm not trying to do this.
Go!
What the?
He's cheating! He's cheating! No, to the right more. Go paddle to the right. On the right. On the right. Ah, come, Brian. Ha ha. On the right. On the right. Yes, we won. Oh, paddle on the right.
Oh.
Dude, where are you going? Where are you going? He gonna win! No!
Push it back.
Where you going? No! Don't put your leg out. Tommy cheated! We spun him out like 3 times.
That jellyfish is down. We got mama.
Oh. Uncle, we caught a jumbo jellyfish on tape. I don't know.
That is. All right. Hold the button. Put it off. Hold it.